Is Trump using Russian oil to pressure New Delhi? What if the United States suddenly made Indian export twice as expensive in the American market? Imagine an Indian product worth $100 entering the United States and facing a potential 100% tariff. The impact could be enormous. Indian exporters could face higher costs. India's trade could come under pressure. But here is the most important question. Has America already imposed a 100% tariff on India? Answer: no. But a new US Senate move has raised the possibility of tariff of up to 100% on countries buying significant amounts of Russian energy, potentially including India. Right? And that changes the game because this is no longer simply about trade. It is about Russia, Ukraine, oil, America's sanction strategy, and India's strategic autonomy. So today let us understand what this 100% tariff threat really means for India, America's economy, Indian exporter, and the future of India-US relations. Why is the United States talking about 100% tariff? To understand the story, we have to go back to the Russia-Ukraine war, right? Since Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the United States and its allies have tried to reduce Russia's ability to generate revenues from energy. Why? Because oil and gas revenues are extremely important to the Russian economy. But there is a problem. Russia's oil did not disappear from the global market. Instead, the distinction of much of that oil changed, right? Countries such as India and China became major buyers of Russian crude. India, in particular, increased purchases of Russian oil when it became available at attractive prices. For India, this was primarily an economic and energy security decision. For Washington, however, it created a strategic problem. The American argument is straightforward. If major economies continue buying Russian energy, Russia continues receiving significant revenues. Therefore, Washington wants to put pressure not only on Russia but also on countries purchasing Russian energy. And that is where the 100% tariff weapon enters the picture. Now, has the US actually imposed a 100% tariff on India? This distinction is extremely important. No, it would be misleading to say that America has already imposed a 100% tariff on India. The US Senate has approved legislation that could provide the President with significant authority to impose very high tariffs on countries that continue certain purchases of Russian energy. And there is a very simple reason. India is one of the world's largest and fastest growing economies. Its energy requirements are enormous. India needs crude oil for transportation, industry, manufacturing, aviation, and economic growth. When Russian crude became available at competitive prices, Indian refiners saw an opportunity. Buying cheaper crude can reduce input costs and potentially improve refining margin. From India's perspective, the argument is, why should India compromise its energy security because of geopolitical pressure from another country? From Washington's perspective, the argument is, if Russia continues receiving energy revenue, economic pressure on Moscow becomes less effective. This is the fundamental disagreement. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. The Senate was 86 to 11, but legislative approval and actual implementation are two different things, right? A tariff does not automatically become 100% duty on Indian product simply because the legislation has passed one stage. Presidential action and the remaining legislative process matter. So, for now, we should call this a 100% tariff threat or potential tariff weapon, not an already implemented 100% tariff. Why is India in the spotlight? Because India has become one of the world's major buyers of Russian crude oil.